Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide the likes on your post, the view count on your post, and the other people's likes, counts, and interactions on their own post. Let's click on Facebook app first. Let's go ahead and click on the lower three dots over here on the right side. You want to click on them. Then you want to click on the gear icon at the top right corner, okay? After you're here, you want to scroll down to the preference section, okay, and then you want to click on the second option, which is reaction preferences. When you come over here, you will see two different options. Option number one is to simply hide the likes and the interactions and the view counts of other people's posts. When you click on this, okay, now you won't see the total number of reactions for posts other people share on the newsfeed, on their pages, on their groups, okay? You will still see reactions, counts on posts like marketplace, for example, right? If somebody published something for sale, you will see the likes, the comments, and all the stuff. Also, very important is that if they publish something on Reels, you're still gonna be able to simply see the likes and the comments and the engagement. Second option over here is to do this similar thing on your own post. So if you toggle this on, other people won't see the total number of reactions under your post. When you publish a picture or video, they're not gonna see how many people view the picture or the video, how many people like it, how many people love it, how many people comment on it, right? This is something very, very good. But again, there is an exception over here, like with the previous function. According to Facebook, reaction counts will still appear on posts in other places like groups or other content like Reels. So anything that is public, like 100% public, you cannot change the privacy of it, such as the marketplace, it's always public and it's gonna be public, right? And the Reels, which is always public and it's gonna be public, you cannot change or limit the interactions over there. So everything that is kind of private and related to your own feed, you can manage, but everything else you cannot. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.